Hey everyone, and welcome to today's video. So we've got a nice simple one for you, and that's removing the headlights on an R56. It's the same on the Clubman as well, so the R55. I'm going to say I'm 99% sure it's actually the same on the Roadster and the Coupe as well. So if you're looking to replace this, so you've got a damaged or faulty light, or if you're looking to fit some aftermarket ones, etc., you're going to need to know how to remove this, and it is actually really simple. It's 4 bolts, all 10mm. And we'll drop those off. So first thing we need to do is pop the bonnet and release the battery cable. So whenever you're working with the headlights, especially if it's xenons or the halogens, but especially the xenons, there's a lot of electricity flowing around in here, so you're safer just to disconnect that battery first. So let's pop the bonnet and then we'll disconnect the battery. Okay, first step is to get to your battery. Take a 10mm socket and just drop that posi off. You don't need to take it all the way. You should be able to lift that off. Now what I tend to do is just have some sort of microfiber towel or something in my pocket and slip that in between the two, so you've got no chance of that reconnecting, so it won't move. So that's now disconnected. We can come down to the headlight itself. So if you see, we've got a bolt up here at the top, one here. If we come down to the front, we've got one just tucked away in there, and then there is another one just here. So we're going to use a 10mm socket now just to whip that out. Okay, so first of all, let's get that top one off. All we do, and I've loosened these already. There's one. Two. And what I'm going to do is actually stick the bolts back in once I've removed the light, just so I remember which ones come off from where. You got the one down here. Okay, that's that one. And there's one tucked just in here. So we might need the extension bar for that one. Just come in from the front. And that's that disconnected. So my bolt, so if I come in and show you, so my bolt is actually wedged behind here, so I'm going to put it back in, try and angle it. It looks like this has obviously been off at some point and been put in front of the light. So let's just quickly put him back in. There you go. And that just popped out. Now the bolt's off the car as well. Okay, so when it comes to removing the headlight itself, there's a connector on the back of the light that we need to disconnect, and also down this side there is actually the water hose. So let's pull it out to start with. Sometimes this bottom clip catches on your bumper and you think that it's stuck in, but it's not. So if I just bring you over the top, you can see just this clip here, and all you do, top and bottom, is squeeze and pull out. So there and underneath, you just pinch and pull. So I'm going to set the camera down and just show you that. So pinch and pull. You might have to rock it. It might not have been off for a while. So I can feel the bottom one is a little bit tight. Oh, there we go. I think that clipped then. There we go. So that's that disconnected. So that's your first disconnection. So bring the light out a little bit. Just be careful you don't rest it too much on your paintwork. And if we come in, you can see here we've got the connection for the washer jet. Now all you do, push down, and that should, with a bit of a wiggle, there you go, see that's coming and off. You might get a bit of fluid come out, but that's fine. That is your headlight off the car. So if you're purely replacing the headlight, then you literally just reverse those steps. Remember, the shorter of all the bolts goes into this one here, and what I'll probably do is have a bit of a clean up in here before I put my light back in, while I've got the access. The other 3 bolts then go through these other 3. You can see that was super easy to get out. Okay, it's super easy to get that light out. So that was just 4 bolts, and obviously the clip and the water. So to refit that headlight, all you do is reverse those steps. So slot it back in, do all your connections up first, then your 4 bolts, put your battery back on, and you're all done and dusted. So it is super easy. So if you found that video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get alerts every time we upload new content. So we've got plenty more. So there's a follow-up video to this where I'm actually going to be Joey modding the headlights, so that's where you paint the insides. So I'll be showing you how to remove the lights, how to remove the lenses and everything else in the follow-up video to this. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.